start the next question, which is question number 7. So question number 7 is complete the empty spaces of the remaining pattern using the rules of given pattern. That means we are having total 3 boxes. 3 boxes in the sense this is first, this is second, and this is third one. Means 3 different pattern we are having. And in your workbook, in first pattern already numbers are given, which is 80, 30, 50, 10, 20, 30. So first of all we should understand the rule of this first pattern, right? So let's start. What is given in this first pattern? So first of all we are starting from the downside. This is 10, 20 and 30. Means this is 3 box we are having. So we can say that 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20, that means 30. Means whichever box is given between this 10 and 20, above the 10 and 20, that answer should be 30. Means we have to do the addition of 2 numbers together. Like this, 10 plus 20 is equals to 30. Again, next to 20 plus 30 is equals to 50. Means above these 2 boxes, whichever box is given, in which we have to make addition. So we are getting 30 and 50 as an answer. Now, answer of these 2 numbers, 30 plus 50, together it can be make 80. 30 plus 50 is equals to 80. So like this wise we have to fill this remaining 2 boxes. But we are having the few numbers in this second pattern and in this third pattern. See, in this second pattern, downside 3 numbers are given, 100, 200 and 300. And in this third pattern, again downside the numbers are given, 50, 60 and 70. So now we are filling the remaining boxes. So if I am talking about this second pattern, so let's start with the same rule, same pattern, 100 plus 200. 100 plus 200. Together they can make 300. 300 is our answer. Now remaining 2 for this box. These 2 boxes for this box. 200 plus 300. So 2 plus 3, 5. And back side this 0. That means 200 plus 300. They can make together 500. Addition of this 200 plus 300 is equals to 500. Now these 2 boxes are filled. Now it's turn of this box, right? So now we are having just 2 numbers which are 300 plus 500. So 3 plus 5, 8. That means 800. 300 plus 500. They are making 800 as addition. So see, as the same like number 1, we have done this second number pattern with the same rule. Now, by using this same rule, we are filling this third number. See, in this third number, these 3 boxes are empty. 1, 2 and this 3. And we are having just 3 numbers downside in this 3 box. So, same rule we are using here. 50 plus 60, 50 plus 60. They are making together 110. If you are making addition of 50 and 60, so 0 plus 0, 0 and 5 plus 6, 11. That means 110. Now it's turn of this box. 60 plus 70. So 60 plus 70, they are making together addition like this. See, you can do rough addition like this way. And 7 plus 6. 30. So 130 we can write in the second box. This is the answer of this box and this box. Now 1 box only is left. So 110 plus 130. So next do addition. 110 plus 130. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 3, 4, and 1 plus 1, 2. So we are getting answer 240. Clear? So what we have done here together? 1, 2 and 3. Patterns are same, rules are same, but we have to fill the empty boxes. Now as like previous pattern we have done, same in this question 7, this kind of shapes are given. This is first pattern and this is second pattern. See, in this small circles, numbers we are having like this. Downside 5, 10, 15 and 20. And in the middle, exactly in the middle of this two circle, 25 is given. That's it. Means we have to find these remaining answers of these empty circles. And in this second pattern, numbers are given like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, you can able to see we are having two patterns. First pattern, second pattern. Shapes are different, circles and the small squares. But in this downside numbers are there 5, 10, 15, 20 and in middle this 25. And here only these numbers, these 5 numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means remaining empty spaces we need to find with the help of same rule which we have used. See, now you can able to see 5 plus 10. We are taking 2 digits together as addition. 5 plus 10. That means we can say 5 plus 10 together they can make 15. So exactly above these two circles, this in this circle, we can write 15. Right? Now 10 plus 15. These two numbers 10 plus 15. So already the addition of 10 plus 15 it is given upside which is 25. It is already given. And next two digits 15 plus 20. So 15 plus 20. See, if you want to do direct, so directly you can make here, directly you can write here answer, and also you can do rough work here. 50 plus 20. So 5 plus 0, 5 and 2 plus 1, 3. So 35 we are getting as a answer. So 15 plus 20, 35. Now these two first numbers we are taking 15 plus 25. 15 plus 25. So 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Right? So we are getting addition of 15 plus 25 is 40. Same like this way, 25 plus 35. So answer will be come 60 if you are making addition. 25 plus 35, 60. Now we are having 40 and 60 and only one circle is remaining, right? So 40 plus 60, when we are adding 40 plus 60, answer will become 100. So this is we have done first pattern with the help of same rule. Now we are using same rule here in the second pattern. See, 1 and 2. So we are taking, what is our rule? We are taking 2 number together. Means we are doing addition of 2 numbers. So 1 plus 2. That means 3. Now 2 plus 3. This 2. 2 plus 3. So which square is coming between this 2 plus 3 here? That means we will write 5. Now it's turn of 3 and 4. So 3 above the 3 and 4, which box is coming? This. So here we will write addition of 3 and 4, which is 7. Right? Now this last two numbers 4 and 5. So in which space we need to write above this two box? This space. So 4 plus 5, 9. So this is, we have filled these 4 boxes, right, by doing the addition of this remaining downside these numbers. Now it's turn of this then. 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5, 8. So 8 where we will write? Here. It is very simple now. Now this box, 5 plus 7, 12. 5, when you are adding 5 plus 7, so 12 you are getting. Now 7 and 9. See, again last box is remaining, right? So we will do addition of 7 and 9. So when you are doing addition of 7 and 9, so you will get answer 16. You can observe we have filled these 2 lines, right? Now if turn off this line. 8 plus 12. See, whenever big digits are there, so you can do addition like this. 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2. So 20, when we are adding 12 plus 8, 20 we are getting as an answer. Now 12 plus 16. So answer will be 28. 12 plus 16, 28 is answer. Now only one box is left. One box is remaining. So it's turn of 20 and 28. So we will do the addition of 20 plus 28. 0 plus 8, 8 and 2 plus 2, 4. So which numbers we are getting? 48. So this is our answer. So what we have done in this all the pattern means in this question 7, we are having one pattern which is already given in your workbook. So according to that first pattern, we have filled the remaining this all the boxes and we have filled this all this pattern, right? So what is this in this question 7? We are doing the addition of two numbers and we are filling the boxes, we are filling the empty spaces upside. So I hope that all have understood this video very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.